In Maxion Wheels, there are two industrial air compressors supporting critical processes for the production of the rims. There's also Neuron Soundware technology, which detected an upcoming failure way before it escalated into a costly outage. Let me tell you the whole story. In general, Maxion Wheels perform periodic maintenance to ensure the continuous functioning of all the assets. The key challenge is to secure maximum uptime of the rotary equipment operating near its limits. Frequently, the failure of such equipment results in an unplanned downtime and costly maintenance. Neuron Soundware provided Maxion advanced technologies with innovative sound-based predictive maintenance solution that is continuously assessing the production of crucial assets. Neuron Soundware solution combines sound sensors and AI-based failure detection algorithm and is enabled to prevent major outages in Sedalia plant during the pilot project. This solution proved itself also the perfect tool for service teams as machines fleet health monitoring. The pilot setup included non-intrusive sensors installed directly on the assets and connected to the Edge, a Neuron Soundware IoT device, where the data is stored and processed. The complex machine learning algorithm in Edge analyzes the collected data and raises an alert if it detects an abnormal behavior in the asset. All the data are visualized on the user-friendly dashboards in the portal and accessible remotely. Throughout the pilot, the solution was able to accurately predict and alert to anomalies. Malfunction of the oil separator and malfunction of the control valve. The ongoing failures were possible to capture in quite an early stage, thanks to a set of sensors with a wide frequency range, high-performing algorithms and 24/7 data evaluation. Thanks to this, the maintenance specialist was able to prioritize the asset's inspection and check on the visual dashboard the status of the machine. If not detected on time, both anomalies would have resulted in potential catastrophic failures and costly repairs. Later analysis of the anomalies showed that the standard on-site vibrodiagnostic method would not reveal the upcoming failure, and the preventive maintenance based on ISO 10816 norm would detect the anomaly after the complete destruction of the air compressor. To get your remote AI-based monitoring solution, contact us at neuronsoundware.com.